Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Incantation by Achal Mathur. Today, before starting the poetry, I thought of talking a bit about our today's topic. If I ask you, what is the most mysterious thing you must have ever come across in your life? Or what is the most mystifying thing you must have ever thought of? Thinking it for such a long time, I reached to a conclusion that for me, these are undeniably the strange, puzzling secrets that people hold within themselves. At times, these have the power to ruin everything, to destroy lives, to destroy happiness, to destruct relations. But on the contrary, certain times they do also encourage positivity and they do create happiness, they do save lives. In recent times, we all must have seen that people are taking lives because of these mysterious secrets. So if I ask you, what are these secrets actually? And are these really meant to be hidden? I think these secrets, these mysterious secrets, are some facts, some truth that people hold within themselves. They lay deeply buried in their hearts, and it is undoubtedly difficult to uncover them. Sometimes it keeps fluttering on and on and on in their hearts, in their minds, but on certain occasions, on rare occasions, they do cross their oceans of their minds and they do lay ahead in their eyes. But only certain times could they be read, and not everyone can read those secrets in their hearts, in their eyes. According to me, these secrets, they can really shatter a relation totally, but on certain other times, on the contrary, they can really help, they can really mark a new relation, a beautiful new relation. Then if I ask you, are these secrets really unacceptable, or are these really secrets bad? No, of course not. Not all the secrets are bad, not all the secrets are unacceptable. Some secrets lay ahead a path of much greater success. Of course, sometimes they do ruin people's reputation, or they can lead to certain major consequences, which are serious, of course, or they can also lead to certain mental unstableness, but they also help in achieving success. I think as a human tendency is, we are always curious of knowing each and every particular regarding all the people's lives, all the things which are happening in their lives. So I think it is really undoubtedly difficult to resist those secrets in our hearts. I think with this, some secrets are meant to be hidden. With this, I leave you with a beautiful poetry written by me, Mysterious Secrets by Achal Mathur. Also, I would love if you share your viewpoints regarding what secrets are, and are these secrets really unacceptable? What are the consequences if these secrets are hidden? Enjoy the beautiful poetry, Mysterious Secrets by Incantation Achal Mathur.